Hi world, welcome back to my channel, Themakeupphase, and for those who are tuning in the first time, welcome. So today we are doing a transitional look. Earlier in the year I did five-minute eye looks, something that was easy and simple enough. I tried to use primarily drugstore products just to kind of make it more of what most people are doing as far as to get ready and run out the door. I know there's a few little things that I have that are not necessarily drugstore, but whatever you have in your collection is just perfectly fine. So back to this look. So one of them that I did, it was a really nice soft look with a light contouring. So obviously we are dialing up the intensity, and yeah, I am definitely enjoying this. This is definitely something that you can do post work. You come in, you come real quick, change. You just want to like spice up your look a little bit. This is really great and it's super quick. So you want to see it, keep watching. And before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and sharing is caring. Let's get started. Okay babes, so this is the final look as you can see. So again, we stuck with the same palette as before. I will definitely make sure that it is tagged in the description below and across, so at some point you'll see that come across on the video, so you can refer back to the first 5-minute eye look. I wanted to again stick up because, you know, not all of us have like 1,000 different palettes, so I wanted something that was already like what you would have, and you know, you can just use the same palette and maximize what you already own. I didn't feature this in the end, but make sure that you go over again with your mascara, just to kind of bring life back to the lashes, because as you're trying to put on real quick the shadows and things, you definitely need to go back over so it really just pops out. So don't forget to add your mascara again. And this is it. This is pretty much what it amounts to. You can definitely put more intensity if you want to. Again, I was just showing for time purposes how quickly this can change to something from like a day look to a night look. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and until next time, bye babes.